Nothing starts your day like a great shower. But wait, overnight, your shower head is a breeding ground for germs and bacteria. According to a recent study, that first blast of hot water in the morning can be packed with dangerous pathogens. Wake up to AquaCare, the breakthrough handheld shower head with antimicrobial nozzles that inhibit the growth of mold, mildew, and bacteria inside, giving you a clean, luxurious, powerful shower every time. The secret is GermShield Antimicrobial technology that works 24/7 at a molecular level to protect AquaCare nozzles from bacterial contamination. Just flip the head and AquaCare turns into a power wash. Use the fan spray to instantly rinse off soap or the Target jet to blast away that stubborn scum buildup without setting foot in your shower. And it's ideal for pets. AquaCare is a complete shower hygiene system